Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Swipe down to power it off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OnePlus logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. This will then bring us option to select our desired language. I'll be selecting English. And from here you have three different options. We have format data, reboot device, and power off. So actually, to be completely honest, we only have one option, format data, which factory resets your device. Now when you click on it, it does give you this kind of code right here to confirm that you want to do this. And then the two other options are just means of leaving the recovery mode. So I'm gonna select reboot device, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this just takes me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.